Hi, I'm Nulty Lynch. I'm a late diagnosed autistic middle school English teacher at a public school in Maryland, and I've spent 15 years watching students refuse assignments and seeing that refusal labeled as defiance. It often isn't. This workshop introduces pathological demand avoidance, PDA, a profile increasingly reframed as a drive for autonomy, and PANDA, a UK framework I've adapted for secondary classrooms using universal design for learning principles. The research is striking. When students have even small choices in how they engage with work, motivation increases dramatically without touching the academic standards. What makes this session different is the work you'll do in the room. You'll rewrite real classroom directives using PANDA's language shifts and leave with a classroom reference you can use immediately, one that applies to all students, including multilingual learners and students with IEPs, not just students with a PDA profile. I built this session because I needed it as a teacher. I think a lot of people in this room will too.